Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set daily reminders on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Reminders app. Once open the Reminders app, locate and click on New Reminder at the bottom left. Then you want to give your reminder a title. So type the title of your reminder. It could be gym, it could be exercise, it could be anything. So let's say exercise. Then again, you want to enter your reminder details. And then again, you can add notes on the purpose of the reminder. Then select details, turn on date, then turn on time when you want the reminder to play. So here, let's say 6 o'clock in the morning. Then early reminder, if you want to set early reminder, maybe this should be like 5 minutes before the exact reminder time. Then to make the reminder repeat itself daily, set this to repeat. Then set this to daily. Now you should see end repeat. Then set this to never. Then hit the back button. Now this will make this reminder repeat itself every day at this particular time. Then you can turn on location, set up messaging and the rest of them. But for this purpose, just go ahead and click on add. Click on OK. So once you click on add and click on OK, you should see your reminders here. So just scroll down. So these are my existing reminders. And then if you come to all, then you should see your reminders here. You see that? So basically, you have today reminder, that is 7 a.m. daily, and it's going to remind you throughout the week, even for the rest of the year. So that is exactly how to set a daily reminder on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.